Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is the 11th video of our Basics of HR module series with Accu360 ERP. In this video, we are going to learn about the payroll entry, its impact and the salary slip all together. Okay, so without wasting any further time, let's get started. So there are two ways to generate a salary slip in Accu360 ERP. First, we have to go to the HR module. Then we have to open the payroll option. And then finally we can go to the salary slip option. In the salary slip option, you can see we already have a salary slip. So we can add a new salary slip by clicking on this plus button. And here we have to select our employee. We will select Priya Sharma, and here we have to mention the date. Okay, so you can see the salary structure is already auto populated for the particular month of the Priya Sharma, and you can see the leave without pay is 0 and total working hours is not populated because we have not submitted the timesheet for this particular employee. Okay, so now we can just simply click on here to save, and then finally click on this submit button to permanently submit. And the next option by which we can generate the salary slip is through the payroll entry. Okay, so let's just delete this entry and we will again generate this salary slip through our payroll option. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to go to the home page and then we have to click on this HR module, and in the HR module we have to open the payroll section, and in the payroll section we have to select the payroll entry, and in the payroll entry we can click on this plus button, and here we have to select the payroll frequency. So in the frequency I will select monthly. Then here we have to select the date. So I will select the date as 1st February to 29th February. Okay. Then here we have to select the designation of our particular employee. Okay. As we have the manager, okay, so we have the manager in the department of human resource, and here we have to select the payment account. Okay, so if we select the cash account, the payment is made through cash, or we can select the bank account. Correct. Then here we can select the branch and the accounting dimension. I will leave it as blank. Then there is an option to validate attendance of the particular employee. Okay. Then 3 more options of salary slip based on timesheet, and deduct tax of unclaimed employee benefits, and deduct tax for unsubmitted tax exemption proof. Okay. So this is used for the tax claiming the tax exemption. Okay. Then here we have an option to unclaimed employee benefits and the salary slip which is based on the timesheet. Okay, if we check this option, the salary slip generated through this process would be based on the timesheet of the particular employee. Okay, now we will save this, and here we get an option of get employees. Okay, so we have to click on this button. So you can see there are no employees for the particular mentioned criteria. Okay, so let's just remove the designation and then we will click on the get employee option. Okay, so we have not mentioned the holiday list for the particular employee. Let's check the department of Priya Sharma first. Okay, so let's go to the employee list, and in the employee list we can see the Priya Sharma is the head of marketing and sales, and her department is sales. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we will go back to our payroll entry again. Here, and in the department, this time we will select the sales department. Okay, and in the sales department, as soon as we click on get employees, all the employees of that particular department will be auto populated here. Okay, and then if we click on this create salary slip option, the salary slips for each and every employee in that particular department will be created in the software. Okay, so let's just click on this, and as soon as we submit the salary slip, our salary slip will be submitted from here itself. Okay, so let's just click on this button to submit the salary slip. Okay, so now our salary slip is also submitted. So you can see the salary slip for the particular employee can be generated through that process of going to the salary slip and generating each and every salary slip separately for each and every employee, or we can do by this payroll entry option, by which we can generate the salary slip for a whole department, or we can say a whole designation in the company. Okay, so now let's just go back to the salary slip option and let's see our salary slip. So first we have to reload this. Then we have to remove this filter from here, and you can see the salary slip for the Priya Sharma is also generated. Let's open this salary slip, and you can see all the calculations are made on the formulas which we have mentioned in the salary slip. You can see the gross pay, gross salary, total deduction, total principal amount, total interest amount, total loan payment, net pay, rounded total, and total in words. Okay, then what we have to do, we have to pass the payroll entry. Okay, which this payroll entry, and in the payroll entry we have to make the bank entry also. Okay, so let's make the partial bank entry. So you can see the salary, which is 37,600, would be paid to Priya Sharma. Okay, so here we will click on this right tick to save, and the lock button to permanently submit and give the effects to our book of account. Okay, so here you can see the cash entry is still in draft. Okay, as soon as we submit this entry, our cash payment will be made through the software. Okay, so here we have to mention the reference number and the reference date also. So let's make it on the 1st March, and in the reference number let's enter any reference number. Okay, and then finally we will save this and permanently submit this entry, and you can see our bank entry is also done for this particular transaction. See, now what we're gonna do, we will go to the chart of accounts of the company, and here you can see our cash in hand option is showing 37,600 as a credit balance, because we do not have any balance in the company as of now, so it's showing the credit balance. Okay, then here you can see And here in the EPF table you can see two EPS. One is of Priya Sharma and another is of R. Rajesh Kumar, which I have already passed in the software. Okay. So now let's just go back to the home page. Thank you for watching today's video. We hope you find it very helpful and informative. Make sure to stay tuned for more episodes in the Basics of HR module with Accu360 ERP series. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Till then, thanks a lot for watching.